Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Treating yards to kill cicadas will result in an unnecessary application of pesticides to the environment, and treating these insects directly may also sicken animals who then try to eat them, Troiano says. Also, cicadas are not venomous and do not transmit disease.
Let's help you make your mark.
Garden hose. Knocking cicadas off plants by spraying water with a garden hose. Foil and barrier tape. Wrapping tree trunks and large bushes with foil or sticky bands. Barrier tape. To catch cicadas trying to move up plants to feed or lay eggs. Netting. Protecting young or valuable plants by covering them with netting.
Make your mark, take our lead.
After the long 2 to 17 years, cicadas emerge from the ground as nymphs. Nymphs climb the nearest available vertical surface, usually a plant, and begin to shed their nymph exoskeleton. Free of their old skin, their wings will inflate with fluid, hemolymph, and their adult skin will harden, sclerotize.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Luckily for anyone needing a good night's sleep, these bugs usually cease their racket by sundown. The cicadas group chorus also repels birds that hunt by day, so when these insects stop singing, there's a good chance the birds have gone to bed.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.